In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get tick charts on TradingView Mobile. Tick charts are different from time-based charts because each bar is built from a set number of trades rather than a fixed amount of time. They're great for seeing rapid order flow and short-term momentum, especially if you're an active trader who wants more precision than a 1-minute or 5-minute chart can offer. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version so all available chart types show up correctly. From the bottom toolbar, tap Charts to bring up a live chart for any symbol you're tracking. This takes you to the main charting screen with price action, indicators if you've added any, and the standard controls along the bottom. Next, look for the time frame button on that bottom toolbar. It will display whatever interval you're currently using, like 1M, 5M, 1H, or D. Tap it to open the resolution picker. This is where TradingView lists all available intervals for your chart, and it's also where tick-based options are grouped. In the resolution list, scroll until you see the tick options. Select the tick setting that fits your trading style. Some traders prefer smaller ticks for more granularity, while others use larger ticks to smooth out noise. Keep in mind that tick charts are part of TradingView's paid plans, so if you're on a free plan, you may see a lock icon or a prompt to upgrade before you can apply them. If you don't see ticks at all, it usually means your current plan doesn't include them or your app needs an update. Once applied, your chart will update in real time based on the number of trades, not the clock. Pinch to zoom, drag to scroll, and monitor how quickly bars form during active sessions. If you want to switch back to a time-based chart, tap the time frame button again and choose your preferred minutes, hours, or days. That's all there is to it. Quick access, clear visibility into trade flow, and a faster read on market activity right from your phone.